In your Treasure Island Play Club bag, you'll find a board game, treasure challenge cards, counters, jewels in a chest, and a dice. Play the board game with your child. Who'll be the first to get to the treasure? Place the treasure challenge cards face down in the space marked on the board. Each player puts their counter at the start and throws the dice in turn. The number on the dice that you roll is the number of spaces that you can move your counter for that turn.
Is Sunrise Cove on the north, east, south or west of the island?
Read the instruction on the space where you land.
Do I get another go?
Well, hang on a second, what does it say there?
If you land on a treasure challenge, then pick up one of the cards.
Can you think of 5 words which rhyme with crew?
With what?
With crew. Crew to shoe.
Yeah.
Who. Through.
What was your one, Miles?
Poo.
Poo, yeah.
If you achieve the challenge, collect a jewel and place it on your own pile.
Which key won't open the treasure chest? I don't know. A monkey.
Me.
A monkey. Oh, I get it.
There are 2 winners in this game. The person who has the most jewels at the end and the person who reaches the treasure first.
You're going to do one side of the page and Miles, you can do the other one.
What's that?
Oh, it's got like a little outcrop. So there you go. So you continue on this side, Miles, and then you can fill in the other side of the island.
You could also make your own treasure map. Find a piece of paper and draw an island on it. What sort of island is it? Are there caves? Or a swamp? A river or a forest? Think of names for the places on your island.
This bit's called Bug Canyon.
Right. Just a giant bug in it.
Yeah, like a praying mantis.
Decide where to bury the treasure. You could give people clues to help them find it.
We can give people clues, or we could sneakily. I've been thinking what we could do. Why don't we put an
Sneakily.
X? So how would we give somebody a clue? Search near the pirate. So if we search near the pirate ship.
Now, pretend that you're marooned on your treasure island and write a message to put into a bottle to let someone know where you are and that you need rescuing. Is there a message in the bottle from the previous castaway?